Right, so I'm in the workshop, 930 turbo on the ramp. Adrian's now on this one, and he's already started cleaning up and replacing what's needed underneath. Looking very beautiful under there, looking like it nearly came out of the factory, a bit more paint required. But there's Adrian. What are we doing now, Adrian? We're doing steering rack by the looks of it.
Yeah, just buffing it all up, ready to make it look a bit brighter, shinier, so it looks like the rest of the stuff.
Yeah, excellent. I think we're going to seal all this up again, aren't we?
Yeah, that'll get a coat of unseal.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it'll be black, not body colour, but
Yeah.
it'll give it a much longer life as it gets driven over the roads.
Brilliant. Excellent. Engine should be going in a week or so.
So, morning, we're up at the steel shop with Jake and Cornell, and they have a new toy. So we're always happy to present new toys. So Cornell, what is this?
Well, this is a tool blender. We just brought it. So now we are using it.
So what we're using this for is, this is a Boxster S, which will be running in the Boxster Cup this year for Mike at Ashford Court. And we are now making our own roll bars. So let's see if by some miracle that bar might fit.
It might fit.
It does.
Doesn't look at that.
So this just means that it's another thing that we can do to build race cars. It's really the last thing that we don't do when we're building a race car. We are now able to build our own roll cages. So well done, you two. Let's crack on.
Right, so we're up at the steel shop, and Julia's with us again. Tomorrow, ARDS test.
Nervous.
So let's go through Julia's flags. So a blue flag. Just kidding, just kidding. Right. We've got tomorrow. But this is your Boxster. So you last saw it had panels basically, and the boys are well into stripping this down to next to nothing. So this is kind of stage one of the process. We're quite lucky actually, because we've got all of the stages up at the steel shop, so we'll take you through all of those. So that's another week or so, and this will be down into getting its cage. So it's going to look like, let's go see what the cage is like. Right, so here we are, stage two of the race car process. So Jake's been working on the cage for this Boxster. This one, another week or so, Jake, and this will be sorted properly.
Yeah, it'll be ready to go.
Julia's will be down here as soon as we get that stripped in the next week or so, and on to stage two. And then we'll go to stage three. Right, this is stage three. So car's now completely out of paint. So roll cage is all in, painted inside and out in the race colours. And this one is just about to be fitted back up, have its engine put in, all its safety features added. And then we'll be testing this one the next 3 or 4 weeks. So, and then on to stage four for the finished product. And here we are, stage four, completed race car. So in about a month's time, just over a month's time, hopefully your car will be in the state and you'll be hooping around the track somewhere.
Can't wait.
Can't wait. So Julie, this is what the finished articles will be like when you're in the cockpit. I can only imagine what you're feeling now, in the sense of you can't wait, right?
I really can't wait. I'm so excited, and getting in it, it just makes everything just seem so
So
real.
tomorrow, ARDS test.
Yep.
So you're doing that in the GT4. So you've got Tony Marion, who's going to be the instructor in the morning for you.
Yep.
And so he's going to take you around Thruxton, and then ARDS test in the afternoon. So I think that's just a few controlled laps, just showing that you're in control of the car, you know what you're doing.
Yep.
And then I think they take you through your flags and stuff, so you'll be
Ready
swatting
to go.
tonight.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, got my little book out.
But then, you know, as we said, 5-6 weeks time, your car's then finished, and then this is what it's going to be like inside.
Yeah.
And then we'll
Ready
get
to
some
race.
testing done, yeah. Brian's intention is to get you into a race before the Porsche Championship, so that at least you get out on the track with
Good
other
start.
cars.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah.
Buzzing.
Completely buzzing.
So this is a Camille, and he's presently beavering away on Paul Simpson's Class 1 Cayman S. We're hoping to get this car ready for testing within the week. So Pav is in there doing all sorts of electronics, and somewhere around here is Neil. There he is, newest member of staff. He's getting stuck in on his first build. This car with Paul pedalling should be something pretty cool. So a week, 10 days, we'll start testing. Jamie's around the corner trying to build the engine. All right, speak to you soon. So again, again, we're up at the paint shop, and the return of Marek. Very pleased to have this guy back on our team. He's just phenomenal, Mr. Paint. So I can't help but noticing that isn't a Porsche.
No, it's not, but we are starting driving academy, so for beginners we've got some nice little Fiestas here, which are getting painted in range colors, so people can learn everything about racing, behaving on the track.
Working on the theory, it will cost us less to put this back together and for you to repaint or replace than it will a Cayman. But it's a cool thing to do. So we're running academy racing this year, so people will get you your ARDS tests up at Thruxton. Tony, legend of the racing game. We build cars, we're building 2 of these, they'll be out in written colours. Give us a call for details. This man will paint them, they'll look very pretty at the start of the season. Hopefully by the end of the season they'll be in a similar shape.
Please don't smash them.
Yeah, please don't smash them.
So I'm in the engine room, very busy today. So Steve's working on 356. You'll see on Sam's video there's a grey 356 with a roll cage, painted in crayon actually, lovely shell that we just picked up from a customer, so he's just commissioned us to complete the car, so we're excited about that. Joe's busy working on Boxster engines. He's got 2 at least, I think, maybe 3 that he's working on. 4 Boxster engines, sorry, 4 Boxster S engines, all for the race cars. All going back together, Joe, yeah?
Slowly but surely.
Good. Right, and you can see other engines around, so the twin turbo or the turbo engine down there, the 3.2, that's going in a red slant nose that we're just starting to do some work on. This is the other turbo engine that she's going into Adrian's car that you've just seen. So the green turbo, so lots and lots of stuff going on in the engine room. And I'm just going to go off to the paint shop. So we're in the big off the paint shop, and this is Julia Roberts' Boxster. So we just sort of filmed with Julia, that was yesterday, so don't film all this in one day. And basically we've put the car into paint already, so we've got body shells all done, we've got the front and back bumpers, outside doors, bonnet, etc. This one we're doing the cage next, so goes into the steel shop for the cage, and then once the cage is in we'll just spray the inside and then put it all back together and engine in and off we go.
Now,
We can't do that to an old man. Right, that's it for another day in the life for this week. I'm in this rather lovely orange track, come road car, fast road car. Just going to take it out for a little video with Sam that you can see on the Instagram channel. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and we'll see you all again in the next episode.